everyone! Welcome back to Jane's Marketing Channel. Today's clip will guide you how to scan data on the TikTok platform, and we can scan usernames on the TikTok platform. And we're going to use software tools. Support us automatic management, unlimited TikTok accounts. In addition to scanning out data, we can be posting, automatic seeding bumping, post short videos and automatically change information of these TikTok accounts, and we can affiliate by attaching automatic cart. A lot of features, but today I'm going to show you how. Scan the username data on the TikTok platform, and the software will help us. Scan the comments in the videos. Scan accounts by keyword. And scan followers or followers. I will first guide people to scan. Comment on any video. I will go to the TikTok platform now. Take any video and I can scan it. This video has 300 comments. Then everyone will take it. Link to this article. And people stick it here. You can add multiple links at the same time. Next, I will select the accounts to scan. And here I will set up a demo scan of about 100 to 200 comments. There and now I just need to start. The software will automatically scan for us. My brothers and sisters can see. I randomly scanned 100 to 200 comments, and the software has out about 162 comments. And we can totally export it to Excel for easy management. From the usernames, this is something that we can fully access automatically by software. It's like texting or sharing and so on. That's next. The scan section according to this keyword is exactly the same. It will get the TikTok accounts that post. Topic has this keyword. And we can scan out the followers of any channel. For example, I'm going to use any channel. Take this channel. And everyone will just need copy the username of this channel. I'm going to scan the followers of this channel. For example, I'll scan around here. 500 to 1,000 followers. You can scan as many as you want. You can see there's a lot of data. And the usernames? This could be automated access. We can sort of go out first to get access. It will be more effective. Export to Excel and sort. My clip is over here. See you guys in the following clips.